Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing Foodtech quiz number 42, topic minerals. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Excessive intake of calcium in our diet results in dash. Options: A. Stroke, B. Diarrhea, C. Constipation, D. Kidney stone. Correct answer: D. Kidney stones. Question number 2. Usually dash percentage of the body's calcium is found in the body fluids and soft tissues. Options: A. 20 to 30%, B. 40%, C. 15 to 20%, D. 10%. Correct answer: A. 20 to 30%. Question number 3. This mineral is a part of vitamin B12. Options: A. Iron, B. Cobalt, C. Calcium, D. Copper. Correct answer: B. Cobalt. Question number 4. The turnover of body zinc has been calculated dash per day. Options: A. 10 mg, B. 6 mg, C. 18 mg, D. 0.5 mg. Correct answer: B. 6 mg. Question number 5. The human body normally contains dash of iodine. Options: A. 20 to 30 mg, B. 25 mg, C. 32 mg, D. 18 to 20 mg. Correct answer: A. 20 to 30 mg. Question number 6. The human body contains dash of magnesium. Options: A. 40 to 50 grams, B. 30 to 36 gram, C. 20 to 28 grams, D. 20 to 26 gram. Correct answer: C. 20 to 28 grams. Question number 7. The body of an adult male weighing 70 kg contains approximately dash of calcium. Options: A. 3500 grams, B. 5000, C. 800 grams, D. 1200 grams. Correct answer: D. 1200 grams. Question number 8. Oysters, meat and eggs are the best source of dash. Options: A. Zinc, B. Calcium, C. Iron, D. Magnesium. Correct answer: A. Zinc. Question number 9. Dash helps in the regulation of blood volume and blood pressure. Options: A. Iron, B. Iodine, C. Sodium, D. Phosphorus. Correct answer: C. Sodium. Question number 10. Milk and dairy products are excellent sources of dash. Options: A. Iron, B. Calcium, C. Magnesium, D. None of the options. Correct answer: B. Calcium. Question number 11. Meat is good source of all minerals except options: A. Magnesium, B. Phosphorus, C. Calcium, D. Potassium. Correct answer: C. Calcium. Question number 12. Liver is the richest source of dash compared to all or organs of animals. Options: A. Potassium, B. Iron, C. Calcium, D. Phosphorus. Correct answer: B. Iron. Question number 13. Hemiportions of myoglobin contains dash mineral. Options: A. Magnesium, B. Iron, C. Potassium, D. Calcium. Correct answer: B. Iron. Question number 14. FAO or WHO recommends an intake of dash per day of calcium for adult. Options: A. 130 to 300 mg, B. 900 mg, C. 400 to 500 mg, D. 600 to 800 mg. Correct answer: C. 400 to 500 mg. Question number 15. Deficiency of iodine causes. Options: A. Goiter, B. Ketosis, C. Beriberi, D. None of the options. Correct answer A. Goiter. Question number 16. Comensal selected as a suitable vehicle for fortification of dash to control IDD. Options A. Calcium, B. Chlorine gas, C. Iodine, D. Zinc. Correct answer C. Iodine. Question number 17. About dash percent of phosphorus is present as calcium phosphate in the bonds. Options A. 45, B. 60, C. 75, D. 80. Correct answer D. 80%. Question number 18. A daily copper intake of dash is recommended for adults. Options A. 5 mg, B. 10 to 12 mg, C. 2 to 3 mg, D. 15 to 20 mg. Correct answer C. 2 to 3 milligrams. Question number 19. Dash is an essential constituent of enzymes involved in carbohydrate and protein metabolisms and nucleic acid synthesis. Options A. Zinc, B. Phosphorus, C. Calcium, D. Iron. Correct answer A. Zinc. Question number 20. Dash are important minerals involved primarily in maintaining the osmotic equilibrium and body fluid volume. Options A. Sodium and calcium, B. Iron and chlorine, C. Sodium and chlorine, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Sodium and chlorine. Test your 10th level prelims preparation with free test series exam papers each week. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th level prelims in February 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. Question paper will have 100 questions and it would be in Malayalam. You can use Futech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes from the Unacademy. So enroll now for free. Link is in the description. Question number 21. Dash is required for the development of sound teeth with resistance to tooth decay. Options A. Iron, B. Fluorine, C. Calcium, D. None of the options. Correct answer B. Fluorine. Question number 22. Dash is important to maintaining electrical potential in nerves and membranes. Options A. Magnesium, B. Iron, C. Phosphorus, D. Calcium. Correct answer A. Magnesium. Question number 23. Dash deficiency leads teeth and bone diseases. Options A. Calcium and magnesium, B. Calcium and phosphorus, C. Calcium and iron, D. Magnesium and iron. Correct answer B. Calcium and phosphorus. Question number 24. Dash are the minerals which are required in greatest amount for human body. Options A. Calcium and magnesium, B. Calcium and phosphorus, C. Calcium and iron, D. Magnesium and iron. Correct answer B. Calcium and phosphorus. Question number 25. Dash is required as a component of blood hemoglobin. Options A. Calcium, B. Phosphorus, C. Iron, D. None of the options. Correct answer C. Iron. Question number 26. Dash is protects against dental caries. Options A. Zinc, B. Fluoride, C. Copper, D. Iodine. Correct answer B. Fluoride. Question number 27. Dash is abundant mineral of metal. Options A. Calcium, B. Magnesium, C. Phosphorus, D. Potassium. Correct answer D. Potassium. Question number 28. Dash is universal solvent. Options A. Hexane, B. Alcohol, C. Oil, D. Water. Correct answer D. Water. Question number 29. Concentration of dash could influence the material color and tenderization. Options A. Vitamins, B. Proteins, C. Lipids, D. Minerals. Correct answer D. Minerals. Question number 30. Which of the following vitamins is called as water soluble vitamins? Options A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin K. Correct answer C. Vitamin C. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam. One topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. All Kerala ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. The test paper would be available in Malayalam only. First place will receive 1 month Kerala PSC subscription. Second place 1200 rupees Amazon voucher and third place 800 rupees Amazon voucher. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to unlock the free test series from Unacademy. Link is in the description. These are the newly launched courses in Unacademy Plus. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.